I have always dreamed of setting foot on a true legend of the seas, a venerable conqueror of the oceans. Welcome aboard! This is the Queen Elizabeth, two-liner, or QE2, a cruise ship that sailed the world from 1969 until 2008. Today, this iconic vessel has found a new life as a floating hotel and museum in Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates. Her story is deeply intertwined with global history. For decades, she was operated by Cunard, a legendary British shipping company founded in the 1842s. This is the same line that owned the famed Queen Mary and the heroic RMS Carpathia, which rescued survivors of the Titanic. To step aboard the QE2 is to touch that living history, to walk in the footsteps of millions who sailed on her. The entrance to the liner leads you into a museum that details her construction and illustrious past. Here, you can find models of other great Cunard ships and see unique gifts presented to the QE2 from ports all over the world. Her first transatlantic voyage to New York took nearly 5 days. Imagine that, an era when the journey was just as important as the destination. Despite the rise of air travel, the QE2 remained not just relevant, but profitable and beloved for her entire career. Today, carefully preserved in Dubai, she invites you to explore her decks, admire her historical artifacts and artwork, and experience her unique, cozy atmosphere. She is a destination for those who value history and seek a truly unique experience. It's more than a hotel, it's a journey back in time. Join us as we discover these incredible places. Like and subscribe for more.